Welcome back, everybody, to part 2 of the $2,000 bedroom door project. There has been some minor confusion. This is a budget door. That's why it only costs $2,000. Some people have pointed out that it
has fake jambs. It has plywood jambs that are veneered.
That's right. If you want the real deal, gotta loosen up those purse strings a little bit. This video series will show you step by step everything involved to produce this cheap $2,000 bedroom door. Keep in mind that $2,000 includes the price of the doorknob, all the oak trim, all the lacquer, the time for the handyman to go measure the door opening, to order the door, to pick the door up, bring the door here, do all the stuff that you see in these videos, go remove the old temporary door, dispose of the old temporary door, deliver the new door, install the new door, put all the trim up. It's a lot of work, a lot of hours, a lot of dinero to some people. And because I'm doing multiple doors for this customer, I gave them a discount of about $2,000 for this specific door. Some people might be a little bit confused about why did I take the whole thing apart and rip it down. With these doors, you only have a few options with your jamb width. And I needed 5 3/4. I ordered 6 3/4. That's for a 2x6 wall, but I don't have a 2x6 wall. I've got a very unique wall. And you'll see why that wall is just so unique later on in the video series. Go get yourself a caulk gun on your shirt, fresh, never frozen. Link will be in the description. Hey Google, what's the temperature outside?
Currently, it's 7 degrees.
7 degrees?
Conditions. It feels like it's -1.
Woo! We are a toasty 65 degrees in here. Most of the time, it is the mini split on heat mode. You heard that. It's 7 degrees. That's pretty interesting. This heat pump is working. It's 7 degrees outside. Feels like it's -1 with the wind chill. Putting out decent heat. I did start off heating the workshop with my 80,000 BTU propane furnace. That kind of took the chill off. I fired that up from inside my house. I have a low temperature setting of 40 degrees, so the workshop never gets below 40 degrees. If it does, it automatically kicks on, brings it up to 40 degrees. So that's the temperature that I started at, was 40. And I think I let it run for half hour, 45 minutes, came out, kicked on the mini split in heat mode, kicked off the propane furnace. I kind of do a balancing act. I don't like having to go get the propane filled. The propane is what keeps this from getting into a deep freeze, the workshop that is. Like I said, it runs by itself at a low temperature of 40 degrees. We have low humidity today, but we're going to go look at the condenser, see if it's frosting up. These things have to go into defrost mode. If it was snowing out right now, this thing, well, I'll show you. I think I have a video clip of it somewhere. Here it is, chooching along. Now, I'll show you where you'll see the frost. The frost will build up on this back side, but since I have low humidity right now, no frost on the back side. Toe-sote, toe-so-toe. Nobody knows how to pronounce it, but it's cranking along, doing good. In case you were curious, I haven't done much of an update on this furnace. That's the furnace. You see there's actually a little bit of ductwork. Goes through a hole in the wall to heat up the other room over there. And I have it circulating because I can open that door. So the heat goes in and around, goes right out the back there. That's where my chimney used to go out. I used to have a homemade wood burning fireplace in place of this huge toolbox. But I had to make room for the toolbox. So the furnace went up in the rafters, and the wood stove, kind of miss it because it would crank out the heat. It is right there. I think I even put a new gasket on it, so it's ready to rock and roll. New gasket if I ever wanted to put it back to use. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. New videos every day. If you're looking to get yourself a pretty cool man hat like this, I've got a lot of them on my website, thehandyman.store. Links will be in the description. Goodbye.